Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you all?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. How are you?
So, children, we were discussing two place value chart. Yes, one is Indian system of numeration
Indian
and
system numeration and international system of numeration.
okay. So, we will discuss this for more time. Then we will do our revision. Chapter 1, we have done mock test. You remember?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes. And we
Yes,
will
ma'am.
see chapter
Ma'am, we got the timetable.
got the timetable. When is your exam?
Second is
Wednesday, day after
20.
tomorrow.
22nd.
Wednesday. So our next, please children listen all of
Chapter
you.
1
Okay.
and 2. Patterns and shapes.
Patterns and shapes. Last, all of you please mute. Then only all the children will be able to hear. Now 36 participants. I think most of them have joined. So our mock exam was 1.1 and 1.2. That is over. And I hope we had some children had some wrong answers, and I hope you have understood what is your mistake. Now we have only patterns. That's also easy. First one is that rotation and that symmetry, rotational symmetry, and second chapter is patterns with numbers.
Ma'am, can you mute everyone?
Huh?
Can
Yes,
you
Agne?
mute everyone?
Some sound of
What?
Can you mute everyone?
everyone.
In between, if you do some, that's the problem. Now sound is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, we were discussing that we already finished chapter 1 mock test and chapter 1.1 and 1.2 finished. Now we have only studied chapter 2 patterns. That patterns we have rotational, that is with the shapes, and second chapter, that is patterns in numbers. Okay children. So I think we can take one more like half period we can do with our place value chart, both national, no, that is Abhimanyu. Okay, so international system of numeration and Indian system. So we are going to do with that. If you have any doubt, raise your hand, okay? Otherwise we will not be able to know. So we are going to do that. Yes, Chris Joe, please unmute. Please unmute. Yes, what do you want to ask?
Ma'am, in chapter 3, large numbers, you gave a homework, right? 1
That
lakh
we will
is
discuss.
equal to
Wait,
dash.
that we will discuss. I know that that day you were telling no option B and option D they are repeating. That no problem. That is not. We have to choose only correct answer. Yes, one answer is repeating 2 times. That's no problem. Yes, Anandita, unmute and speak. Unmute. Nandita, please unmute. Unmute, unmute. Okay, children, I will come back to you. I will come back to you. Yes, Nandita, please ask me. Yes. After that, I will come back to you after the class.
Ma'am, I have sent the
Yes, yes.
photo of the homework.
Okay. We will discuss this homework later. Okay, children. I'm going to show you that place value chart again. So children, all the children, please listen. We will discuss one more time, because if you don't know the place values for both international and Indian system, you will be making mistakes. So once again, you have to look at the place value chart. All of you. So question number, Gautam, please wait. Okay, first let me complete this. So we have in Indian system, we have ones period. It till 100, tens and ones. And in next period, we have only 1000. 1000. So 1000 and 10,000. After that, we have lakhs period. In that, we have lakh and 10 lakh. Then we have crore and 10 crore. And what we have discussed, the next one, we have discussed international system. In international system, we have one spirit, that is 100, tens and ones. And in 1000 period, we have 3, that is 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. After that, we have millions period, millions. So what's that? We have million, 10 million and 100 million. And what's that? After that, billion. Okay, children. Now I told you, in international Indian system, we have this same. After 3 periods, after 3 digits, we will put the comma. But in Indian system, 1000, 10,000, after that we have lakh. Lakh, here it is 10 lakh. So we know that is 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. So here 1000, 10,000 in Indian system after 2 digits. But in international system, after 3 digit, we had to put the comma. So we hear million, 10 million. So in Indian system, we have lakh, but international system, that is equal to 100,000. So 1 lakh is equal to 100,000 and 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. Okay, children. Now I will show you the next slide. This you can. So lakh is equal to 100, 100,000. 100,000. Lakh is equal to 100,000. And 10 lakh. 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. 1 million. And crore. Crore will be equal to 10 million. After, after 10 lakh, what is in the Indian system? Crore. After 10 lakh, it comes crore. So 1 million is 10 lakh. So next one will be 10 million. 10 million. 100 crore is 1 billion. 100 crore. So Gautam, 100 crore is billion. So Ayman was asking me that time. Ayman, please tell me which is big, crore or billion? Where is Ayman?
Billion.
Huh?
Billion.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because 100
Ma'am,
crore
100
is equal to 1
crore is equal
billion. Understood that?
Yes, ma'am.
We have to
Ma'am,
find what is the
ma'am.
relation. What is the
Excuse me,
relation
ma'am.
between? Look at this,
Ma'am,
Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu?
Did you ask?
can I ask one doubt, ma'am?
Yes.
Did you ask me?
Ma'am, 1 million, it will be 10 lakh.
Yes, 1
1
million
million
is equal to 10 lakh.
to.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
1 million is 10 lakh. And what
Equal
about
to 10 lakh.
1 million is equal to?
100
So what
crore
is
is
1
one
crore?
Arab.
1 crore.
Ma'am, in that in the international system there will be 10 billion and all, right?
It will be there. We are not learning that. You are in
100
only class
billion.
5 now.
Ma'am,
Only
1 billion is equal to how much crores?
What?
1 billion is equal to how much crores?
100 crores.
Children, 1 crore
100
is
crores.
that all we will find out.
100
But
crores.
that all
Can
we
I
will find
find out?
Children, please mute. Please mute. And I want all of you to take out your rough book. Please mute. Okay. If I mute in between, I want to ask you something. Some children, they are unmute. They are not. They cannot unmute themselves. So I want, after doing this one, I will mute. So what you have to do now? Fia, you have to mute. Please take your rough book. I will give you one question. What you have to do? You have to write in Indian and in international. You have to write the number name. Understood? So before that, before writing the number name, what you have to do? You have to write the place values. Okay. So all the children.
Ma'am, we should draw the place value chart.
No need to draw because you will take.
Ma'am, we can write the crows 100.
Okay, I will tell you. First, we will write the. All of you will write. Can you see the board?
That one
Yes, ma'am.
and in
Can you see the board, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So first, we
Yes,
what I'm
ma'am.
writing is places that you have to write. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. After that, what is coming in Indian system?
10,000.
10,000. So what how will I write the small t? Th.
TH.
Okay. So TTH. After that, what we have learned?
Lakh.
Lakh. Very good. Lakh. Then
10 lakh.
10 lakh.
lakh.
Then you can write TL. Okay, that-
1 crore. 1 crore.
C.
okay. So we have 10.
Ma'am,
You can
crore
take
and
that
all
is
you have not written.
10 lakh.
You have not written crore and all. There are 2 N.
Last lakh.
There are 2 L lakh.
Okay.
2 times you have
one
Ma'am,
more.
I cannot see the board.
Okay, wait. Who cannot see the board? Who was not able to see the board?
Ma'am, Abhimanyu.
Huh? Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu, please take your rough book and write the place values. What is the place values I told you?
0. Ma'am, till 10 lakh only in Indian.
10 lakh. After that, you have to write one more. So, C,
10,000.
Crore. 10
crore, and
1,000, 10,000
you have to
lakh,
write C and
10
TC.
lakh,
Till
crore, and 10.
10 crore, you have to write. Is that clear?
Ma'am, in Indian system.
Yes, ma'am.
In Indian system only. First, what you have to do? Only write the places. I am going to give you the number. I'm going to give you.
Ma'am, can you share the screen?
Wait.
Ma'am, like this.
Okay. So, children, after lakh, 10 lakh,
10 lakh,
10
crore, and 10 crore.
Okay. So when I'm giving you one number, what you have to do? You have to place the number below these places. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what do you return LLT?
So this is ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1,000 place, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Children, you have to draw like this. Okay. Now I'm going to give you the number. You have to write the number name below. Don't say the answers louder. I will ask one by one. Okay? Okay. So this is, we are writing this number in Indian system. That's why lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Okay. So you have to place these numbers below the places. That is 10 crore, that is 6.
Ma'am, we should put comma.
Then you have to write this. Have you written the number, children? Start writing the number name.
Ma'am, in down of the place value chart.
Yes, down of the place values you can write.
Ma'am, we should write the number name of this.
Yes, number name. Write the number name in Indian system. Indian system. That Abhimanyu, you can able to see the board now. Abhimanyu, are you able to see the board now? Indian system. I will ask. Okay, no need to say the answer louder. Madhav. Finished, Madhav?
Below the place value chart, we can write number name.
Yes, below the place value. Below the place value, you can write. Okay, let me see how many children finish. You can raise your hand. How many children finish? You can raise your hand.
Ma'am, over.
Only raise your hand. Okay, only raise your hand. Don't say the answer now. Yes. Little more time needed. Adinath finished?
Can you share the screen to see the number?
Not finished? 1 minute, Adinath. I will send the number one more time, then only. Okay, see the number 60, 89, 64, 5, 89. First number is 60. Can you say how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits. Yes, 9 digits. Okay. Now, Adinath, can you say the number name?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All others, please. 1 minute, Adinath. 1 minute. All other children, what you have to do? You have to check whether your answer is correct or wrong. Yes, Adinath.
60 crore,
60 crores,
89 lakh,
89 lakhs,
64,000,
64,000,
589.
589. Very good, very good. I hope all of you got correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Did anybody got wrong?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
I will write that.
No, ma'am.
Spellings, children, please check. We have these 60 is in crores place. So we have 60 crores. Okay, 60 crores. Then what is the place? 89 is in the place of lakh. So we have to write 80.
89 lakh.
89
64,000.
Yes, 89.
500 crores. 89
Then 64 in this place, 60,000. So we have to write 589. So no need to write here and we will write here 589. 5. No need to write 2 times and. So we will write 500. 89.
Why we need to use after 64,000 and
60 crore. Children, please listen again one more time and check
okay, ma'am.
where these numbers, how these number name. See, children, if you listen 1 or 2 times, how we are writing the numbers, how we are placing the commas, then you will not get wrong after this. Okay. 60, that is in the place of crores. So we have to write 60.
Can I ask one doubt, ma'am?
Children, can you please wait? I will come back to you. 60 crores, 89 lakhs, 64,589.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes. Now tell me. Fia.
Ma'am, it's Fia.
Yes, tell me, Fia.
Ma'am, in this table that in 60 after we will put one comma
Yes. 60
after 60.
Children,
Then
we
after
will be placing
89.
from the backward, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
From the back, after 589, before 5, we will 3, after 3 digit, 1 comma, then in Indian system, after every 2 digits. First 3 digit, then after every 2 digits. Okay. Okay, children.
Ma'am,
Now,
like
what about in
after
international
60?
system? After every 3 digit, we have to keep the comma. Okay, children. So, same question can
Ma'am,
we write in
excuse
the,
me,
yes,
ma'am.
Via?
Ma'am, after 89 also there will be a comma. 89 and 64.
60, then comma, 89, comma, 64, comma, 589. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Let us see.
Okay. Now, the same question we are going to write in international system. And before writing the international system, what do you have to do? We have to write the place. Okay, place values. Okay, children. So can you write that place value? What is the
Ma'am, it is
difference?
the same number.
Same like that. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. After 1,000, 10,000. After 10,000, 100,000. That is the difference there. Instead of lakh, what do you have to do? 100,000. Instead of lakh, you have to write 100,000. Then comes million.
Ma'am, can you share the screen
I will
and
share.
show?
10 million.
Ma'am,
Then
Ma'am.
100 million.
ma'am, it is the same number.
Same number. Ah.
And we will
Children,
tell
Anusri, is there anything you want to ask me?
BOT.
Please ask me. It's not audible. Can you raise?
And we will tell crore.
1 minute, 1 minute. Anusri, yes.
Not an.
Please ask.
Ma'am, we will tell crore or crores.
I'm not able to hear. Can you children please be quiet?
Ma'am, we will tell
Anusri,
crore.
please be louder. What's the, check your audio. I'm not able to hear.
Ma'am. Now, okay.
Is there anybody can hear what Anusri is telling?
Amanat, ma'am, Amanat.
No, Anusri is telling something.
No, ma'am, it is Amanat.
Amanat.
Yes, Amanat, please. Anusri, wait. Anusri, wait. Amanat, please ask.
We will tell crore or crores.
Crores. But is more than 1 crore, we can say crores. Lakhs, okay. Okay, Anusri?
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yes. Please unmute and speak.
But can we write the
Can you use that head speaker, that headset?
Ma'am, now okay?
Okay, now. Yes.
Ma'am, can we write the Indian system as national system?
No need. Indian system of, okay? Indian system only.
Okay, ma'am.
Indian system and international system. Now, before writing this number in international system, you have to write the places. Okay, children?
Okay,
We are
ma'am.
going to write the places
Okay, ma'am.
again.
Ma'am, 1,000 have S.
We will write this below. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am. I wrote it like that in that line itself. I wrote it below.
1,000 have S.
Ma'am, first it will be ones, tens, hundreds, thousands,
Children, please mute.
100,000, million.
Ma'am, we will tell
1 minute.
1,000.
First, I will mute everyone because some children will say louder. I want
Ma'am,
all the
finish.
children to do alone. This one. I will help. I will write the same number. Okay, children, same number. So what you have to do? First, you have to write the places. So we will write the places over like this here. You can start writing. You can start writing alone. Ones, then same tens, then 100, then what come? 1,000 place. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. This is the place that where we are getting change in international system. 100,000. Then comes what? It's 100,000. Then comes million. M for million. M. Then 10 million. Million. 10 million. Then what come? It's 100 million. 100 million. After this, you have to write the number in the boxes and find out. You have to find out. How will write the number? 6. So children, this millions place, millions period, we have 100 million, 10 million and million. Then we have that in thousands place, we have 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. And in ones place, we have ones, tens, 100. Isha, can you please unmute? Isha, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see this number name?
60 billion.
Can you please check? In millions period, we have million, 10 million and 100 million. And where this 6? It is in the 100 million. So how will read 608? How will read 608? Is it 60? Here we had to think, okay? Here that 10 million, that is in 0. 10 million, that place is missing. That's why it's written 0.
Okay.
608, how we will read that?
608.
We can read 608. Yes? 608
Yes.
what? Which period, in which group? It is in the millions
100.
period. So how we will read? Alok, can you help? Alok, please unmute. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
608.
608 million.
Million, very good. 608 million, then
Million.
608 million, then
96,000.
you have to read three digits.
906,000.
964,000, then
589.
589. Very good. Children, you have to take three numbers. I told you know how we are keeping here groups after 3 digits. Okay, Anandesh, can you read this number? Can you read the answer? Unmute. Yes.
Ma'am, which number?
Same number. Same. Tell the answer correctly. In international system.
608 million
608 million
954,000
964,000
589.
589. Understood? Because here we are
Yes, ma'am.
3 numbers. They are in the same period. After 3 numbers. Children, you have to remember how we are keeping the places, how we are keeping the groups, periods after 3 digits. Yes. So in ones place, we have how many digits? 3. Ones, tens, and 100. In thousand place, we have how many? 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. That is the difference here. 100,000. In millions period also we have million, 10 million, and 100 million. Okay, children? This we have to do more practice with this. Now we are going, I think the time is up. We are going to discuss that homework. All of you please take your rough book, children.
We are already having the rough book with us.
Rough book.
Yes, ma'am.
So the question number, which one was homework? 1 lakh is equal to.
Yes,
What's the answer? Chris only will tell me. Chris, 1 lakh. How many? 1 lakh. Question number 4. That homework. Can you say the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer. 1 lakh is equal to.
1 lakh is equal to
Which option?
option 10.
See children, if you say 10, 100.
Ma'am, can I say?
100. How many zeros are there in 100?
Can I say?
2.
Can I
2.
tell?
2
So
zeros.
total that will be only 1,000. 1 lakh. How many zeros are there in 1 lakh?
5.
5. So 1
Five.
and 5 zeros. So can you check
Can I
that?
tell?
Yes,
Can I
yes.
tell?
Gautam.
Ma'am, can I say?
100,000.
100,000.
Option B.
100,000. B.
100.
Option B.
So Chris, what you have to do? You have to write first 100. Then in 1,000, how many zeros are there? 3.
4. 3.
3
Two.
zeros. So you have to write first 100. Then add 3 more zeros. Then together it is 1 lakh. Okay, children.
Excuse me, ma'am. We should write that in the workbook.
That we have to do.
Excuse me,
Question
ma'am,
number
I
4
have
in
wrote
the
it.
workbook. That was a homework. We were discussing the answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, children, what you have to do is... Okay,
Ma'am,
very
I
good.
don't know
I
what
can
is
see that.
answer.
Children, Nandita and all. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now I can see Harsha. Okay, very good. See, children, what you have to do now? Now today, no need to study large numbers, and I'm not giving you any homework because we have periodic test on Wednesday.
Ma'am, what is the answer of fourth question?
B, 100,000. B, option B, 100,000. See, children, you can write 100 and 1,000 means 3 zeros. When you write 100 and add 3 more zeros, check whether you are getting 1 lakh. We have discussed that answer today, no?
Ma'am.
100,000
Yes,
is 1
ma'am.
lakh. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, when we
Children, what you have to do is no need
multiply
to study large
1,000
numbers
into
today.
100, we will get 1 lakh.
Okay. So what I said, we have to do revision for chapter 1 and chapter 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children?
Yes,
Is there
ma'am.
any doubt in chapter 1 and 2? Please check.
No, ma'am.
We already took one mock test for chapter 1. And we
Chapter
have
1.
discussed only
Yes.
patterns with shades and patterns with numbers. They are easy, no?
Yes, ma'am. Also rotation.
Huh?
Rotation.
What?
Patterns in rotation.
Rotation.
That's with the shades. Okay. So I hope no doubt, and I am not giving you any homework today, and no need to study large numbers. Okay, after studying, I want you to draw these values in one rough book.
I cannot hear you properly. I cannot hear you properly. Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
That only we have benefited.
Can you tell one?
Please mute all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can you tell once again?
1 minute. I
Thank you,
will
ma'am.
just say about these participants. 1 minute, okay? So, children, I was saying that we have Wednesday, we have periodic test, and it is about chapter 1 and chapter 2. All these information will be given in the WhatsApp. You have to study, and you have to study only today. Revise which chapters, chapter 1 and chapter 2, and no need to study chapter 3, large numbers, today and tomorrow. After the exam only you will study now. Okay, children, is that clear? Okay. Children, going to wind up the session. Okay, bye.